Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually get Spotify Premium for absolutely free. Now basically guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get Spotify Premium, so make sure you guys watch until the very end so you guys don't miss anything. So basically guys, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is search up Spotify in your Google search engine or whatever search engine you actually do use. And basically you're going to be here at the Spotify search result. Basically just go ahead and click on Spotify guys, and you guys are going to get sent to here. Now basically if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up. Now basically that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So basically you can actually sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Google, and if you guys don't prefer any of that, you can actually go ahead and sign up manually. Now basically it's just going to ask you a bunch of questions, but I do find it easier to actually go ahead and proceed on with Google or Facebook. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually sign up if you haven't already, but basically I already have an account with them, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google guys. So you guys can see here I'm actually signed into my account right now. So once you go ahead and actually create an account or actually sign into your account, head over back to the Google search bar guys and search up Spotify Premium. So basically what you're going to want to do is search up Spotify Premium and then free. Now basically once you guys are actually here, there is a bunch of search results. You're going to want to go ahead and click on the Spotify Premium for free thing here. Now basically it's going to send you to the Spotify website, and it's going to say right here, get 3 free months of Spotify Premium for free. Now basically you can go ahead and get Spotify Premium guys if you actually go ahead and head over to the checkout and use PayPal guys. Now you don't have to pay anything at all, basically, as long as you cancel before the trial actually ends. So you guys can see here, once you go ahead and do the transaction at checkout, you guys will actually get the code to actually redeem right here. Now here you'll enter the code, and then pretty much once you actually enter the code, you can actually redeem it and get your free 3 months guys. And then pretty much once your 3 months are almost over, you can actually go ahead and cancel and redo the process. So pretty much you can create a loop of Spotify Premium guys, and it's actually a really great idea guys because you don't actually have to pay for anything. So as long as you cancel every other time that your membership is about to end, you can actually get that for free. So that's pretty much the video for today guys. Hopefully you guys found this very helpful guys, and I'll see you guys for the next video.